Alright, so let's unbox the Nest Mini 2nd gen. This is the black version. So here we can see it's compatible with Spotify, YouTube Music. You can use it for calendar, Google Duo, and use it to play Netflix. Alright, so here we have the speaker. Here's a wall mount and charger port, and also there's a mic mute switch, charger with a circular plug with a G for Google. Also we have the quick start guide. Alright, so here we have the Google Home app. Now let's plug in the speaker. Set up device.
Hi, to get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
So now it's looking for the device. It found it, Nest Mini found. Would you like to set up this device? Yes. So this turned blue. Connected. So now it's connected to Wi-Fi. Trying to connect. Activate voice match on this device. I'll do that later. So now you have to add a music service. I'll add Spotify. No thanks. And finished. So now it's going to install an update on the device. It takes about 4 minutes. The update is done. Play and pause, tap the center of your Nest Mini. Okay. Change volume. Tap the right or left side to change volume. When something is playing, the lights will turn as your hands gets close. Alright. Mic switch, so that's the mic switch we saw before.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
And that's it. Alright, let's try playing something. Living room speaker. So now it's connected. Let's try to increase the volume. Pause it. So yeah, it does get pretty loud even though it's a small speaker. And the touch sensors are pretty responsive. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.